very good day to everyone. We are here to present our school innovation project Smart Dose Dispenser. I am Vishnu and this is Tapas. We are here from class 7 ATL Public School, Mysuru.
Our project falls under the theme Health and Wellness, devised for preventive health. We chose this theme because preventing medical errors is an important part of keeping patients safe.
Our problem statement was to design a system that calculates accurate amount of medical dosages and dispenses medicines safely using automation.
In hospitals, doctors and nurses often calculate dosages manually using formulas based on weight, age and vital signs. These calculations must be extremely accurate, but during emergency and busy schedules, mistakes can happen easily.
Even a small overdose or underdose can affect a patient's safety and treatment outcome. Measuring the exact amount of medicine inside a syringe is another difficult and time-consuming step.
To solve these challenges, we created an automated medical dosage calculator with a motorized syringe dispenser.
Our system collects important patient details such as age, weight, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation.
Using these values, the Arduino calculates the recommended dosage for different medicines like antibiotic, sedatives, painkiller, and pediatric medicines.
Once the doctor confirms the dose, the dispensing mechanism begins its operation.
A NEMA 17-stepper motor rotates a lead screw, which moves a trapezoidal nut connected to a syringe plunger.
With support from bearings and brackets, the movement stays smooth, and because of the usage of stepper motor, the accuracy is more.
This allows the syringe to draw the exact amount of medicine needed, automatically and without manual calculation errors.
Our project helps reduce human calculation mistakes, saves time for healthcare workers, and improves safety in medicine preparation.
It is affordable, scalable, and can be expanded to support even more medicines and advanced dosage rules in the future. Thank you for watching our project, Automated Medical Dosage Calculator by Team Neuro Naptics, Class 7, ATL Public School.